Hello guys, how are you all? Once again, I have brought an amazing broker for all of you. First of all, I want to say something. Watch all the video, and I will tell you everything about this broker, that how you can get $50 no deposit bonus. So this broker's name is Trader, and this broker is providing $50 no deposit bonus in 2024. This broker's name is Trader, and the bonus is available for all new traders, and validity date is complete this year, and the bonus amount is $50. So let's talk about this broker furthermore. This broker says Trader $50 bonus for fresh client of the company with a live account to test the live trading services. It means that anybody who is a new client can come to this broker and register an account this broker, and they will get $50 no deposit bonus. Any older client of this broker will not get $50 no deposit bonus. What you will have to do, you will have to just register your trading account in this broker, and you will get $50 as a credit or as a no deposit bonus. So let's talk about furthermore about no deposit bonus. This broker says how you can get $50 no deposit bonus. First, you will have to register an account. After that, you will have to verify your account. It means you will have to put your documents. That could be anything, your NIC or maybe your driving license, whatever. And after that, you will have to after that you will get $50 no deposit bonus. So here, cash out whatever you earn, whatever you get profit from no deposit bonus, you can withdraw that no deposit bonus. Last but not least, terms and condition of the no deposit bonus. Journal terms and condition apply. It means I will give the link of this broker in my description. You will have to go to that broker's page, and you will have to check out the terms and condition. If the terms and condition are reliable, then you can apply for no deposit. Otherwise, you can leave that. Next one, the offer is only for the new client of the company. It means whoever the new person come to this broker, he will get $50. Remaining whoever is older, he will not get $50 no deposit bonus. Last but not least, this offer may be terminated at any time without such notice. It means without any notice, the company can terminate this no deposit bonus. Hopefully you got it. So let's go to the link and how you have to apply for the no deposit bonus. When you'll click on the link, I will give you this link. You will have to just come here, and you will have to click on a sign up, and you have to register your account. Hopefully you got it. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.